Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Julia. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make my version of a tuna melt. I'm also going to serve it with a delicious cold sauce or dressing on the side to dip the sandwich in. That is completely optional. I just love that cold sauce with the warm sandwich. Let's get started. First up, I'm going to make my dressing or my cold sauce. In a bowl, I'm going to mix some cress, red onion, some sour cream, mayonnaise, and salt and pepper together. Time for my tuna mousse. I just added some tuna from some cans in a bowl. Then I'm going to mix it with some sour cream, mayonnaise, lemon juice, salt and pepper. Just stir until you have a delicious tuna mousse. I have 8 slices of bread, going to add on some butter to them all. Flip 4 of them around. And place a good portion of cheddar cheese on the 4 pieces of bread. Then a good portion of my tuna mousse. And some more cheese on top. Place the other slice of bread on top with the butter side up. These are now ready to go into my panini machine until they are nice golden brown and crispy. After that, they are ready to be served with my homemade sauce. I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick and easy recipe for tuna melts, and if you want to give it a go, ingredients are down below as always. Don't forget to subscribe here so don't miss out on any videos in the future. Bye!